Hello everyone, I'm Charles. Welcome to Graphic Design Quick Start. In today's episode, I'll be showing you two ways to crop in Illustrator. One of the ways is dynamic and the other is static. The dynamic approach, you can always change the crop area anytime you wish, but the static one is destructive. After cropping, you can no longer change the crop area. Let us get started. We will start with this poster we created in our previous episode. Let us start with the dynamic method. Let us get rid of the border around the image. Click on the image, select it. Go to Appearance. Double click on Layer. Let us disassemble the stroke and also the fill. Pick the rectangle tool. Draw a rectangle above the image. Press V to switch to the selection tool. Hold Alt and drag the rectangle to duplicate it. Hold Shift to constrain the movement. Let us resize the rectangles a little. To make multiple shapes crop an image at a go, highlight them both. Go to Object, Compound Path, and click on Make. Hold on Shift, click on the image to add it to the selection. Go to Object, Clipping Mask, click on Make. That way you divide the image into different pieces. And for this dynamic method, whenever you change your mind, you can always change the crop area. Go to Layers, trail open the background layer, midball on the compound path, adjust the crop area as you wish. Now let us go to the second method, which is static. First, we need to release the clipping mask and the compound path. Select your image, go to Object, Clipping Mask, click on Release, click on the compound path, go back to Object, Compound Path, click on Release, click on the image. With the current version of Illustrator, there is an added crop image command. With older versions, you need to use a workaround. If you need me to show you the workaround, leave a message in the comment section. If the image is linked, during the cropping it will be embedded. And also bear in mind that after the crop, you can no longer adjust the crop. So make sure you crop exactly as you wish. Go to the control bar, click on the crop image, drag the control handles to adjust your crop area. Click on Apply, and there you have it. Two ways to crop in Illustrator. One which is dynamic, and second which is static, which most of the time is what you might go for. And that's it for today. Like, share, and consider subscribing to our channel so that you don't miss out on our next episode.